knows that eating fruits and vegetables is always a smart and healthy choice over most alternatives, especially considering how unhealthy products are constantly being marketed to us on a daily basis nonstop. However, while eating fruits and vegetables, you could be missing out on a nutrient value by avoiding the peels. For the most part, people avoid peels because they think they're dirty, have pesticides, or they're hard to digest. With moderate washing, these problems can surely be avoided. So if peels are actually healthy, why should we avoid them? Here are some examples where you could be missing out on vital nutrients. Number one, potatoes. Potato skin is absolutely loaded with nutrients like iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Potatoes are commonly known as a healthy food, and for good reason. Their skin is actually packed with far more nutrients than the actual vegetable itself. With that said, sweet potato is also packed with a large amount of beta carotene that converts to vitamin A while going through the digestion process. Our cell health and immune system regulation are very dependent on vitamin A. Cucumbers. The dark skin of cucumbers has a lot of antioxidants, which help the body avoid several diseases through helping with free radicals and oxidative stress. It also has fiber, potassium, and vitamin K. This is arguably the best example on this video. So the next time you're having a meal like a Greek salad where the peel is usually gone, ask the chef or yourself to leave the skin on. Citrus fruits, yes, really. Shockingly, the peel of an orange has twice as much vitamin C as what's inside. It also has far more riboflavin, vitamin B6, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The peel also contains flavonoids, which are anti-cancerous and anti-inflammatory. If you don't want to eat it whole, you can easily grate the peel and put it on top of salads or use it in your dressings. Eggplant. An eggplant's purple hue comes from a very powerful antioxidant called niacinamide, which is great against cancer development, especially on our nervous system. Niacinamide is also believed to have anti-aging properties. What most people do is peel off the skin and then cook it, but clearly you're missing out on the nutritional benefits of the skin. Eggplant skin is also very rich in chlorogenic acid, a phytochemical that is packed with antioxidants and has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5, mango. Experts have discovered that mango skin has properties similar to resveratrol, which burns fat and inhibits the production of fat cells. The peel has much larger amounts of carotenoids, polyphenols, omega-3, and the good kinds of fatty acids. Also, it contains quercetin. The skin can be eaten raw or deliciously cooked. Carrots. Since the skin is basically the same as what's underneath, they have very similar properties. The peel is very rich in polyacetylines, a compound that may be antibacterial and have anti-inflammatory properties. However, you will find the absolute highest concentration of phytonutrients in carrot skins, thus you have to wash them extensively. And finally, watermelon. All watermelon peels contain citrulline, which is loaded with antioxidant properties that convert to arginine, an essential amino acid. Arginine is great for the heart, immune system, and circulatory system. The best way to eat the peel is by throwing it in a blender with the flesh. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Nick, holistic nutritionist at The Health Report. Hopefully you learned something today. Subscribe and like for more tips.